Hey guys, Lewis, back with another video.
And I'm in the background uploading videos.
Yeah, and Michael's back there uploading them. Today we're going to talk about something a little bit more difficult called binding, which you don't really do with responsive yo-yos. You don't do them at all, actually. But a bind is for non-responsive yo-yos that when you tug on, it will not come back up to your hand. So you have to do something called a bind return, which is, it's hard to do with this yo-yo. Anytime, yeah, it doesn't work with this yo-yo, but it's anytime you reverse, or it's anytime you add string to the yo-yo inside. Yeah, I can't do it with this yo-yo. But anyway, crap. That's what it looks like. That's one of them anyways. I'll show you a video on them when I get my non-responsive yo-yo. But it's just like I said, so say you got it here, you're in a trapeze. If I can get it to stay in a trapeze. What you do is you would go like that. Crap, hang on. And I just got it knotted. Let me try to do one thing though first. You guys just hold on 1 second for me. I might be able to do this. Open this one up. And get down to this end. I'm just going to try to replace this string quick. Oh, you know what? Hang on. Because I have another string right here. If I can get it undone. I hate these strings. There we go. Alright, hang on. Oh, anyways, this is how you replace a string. Let me try to tip you guys down. There you go. You open up the string at the top. You separate it, or attempt to. I'm kind of failing. There we go. There we go. Now we can set it on there. Go ahead and click tug. Flip you back up. Find the other half of the yo-yo. There it is. Nope, wrong one. There it is. Crap. You're gonna put it back together. Alright, there it is. Let it spin a little bit. Alright, and there we go. And then you gotta fit it to your finger. This is turning into a video on how to fit a yo-yo. string. Alright, let's see if I can get this one wound up. Alright. Here we go. For a nice light sleep. Get it sleeping. There we go. Alright, what were we talking about? Oh yeah, bind turns. Try to do it with this yo-yo. Might be just as difficult. Alright, let me try to demonstrate it. Nope. Yes, no. Oh, another part of this video that I want to talk about was looping and looping tricks. Looping is that you keep doing, this is a basic loop. You can do, let's see if I can, alright. You can do, oh, of course, you can do, if you want, you can get a loop set up for a loop to around the world. I don't have the space in here to do it because the ceilings are really low. But yeah, that's, you just flick your wrist when it gets back to your hand and it continues it. Looping is usually done in two-handed, so you'd flip and just keep flipping. You can go low, you can flip out like that, you can go low, you can go high without hitting a wall, stay right in front of you. But to learn more tricks, more looping tricks, I would suggest just getting looping down. Get it where you can do maybe 5 in a row without stopping. Like 1, 2, man. It's hard this year. 1, 2. Oh my god, this yo-yo sucks, that's why. I can do them, it's just hard with some yo-yos, I don't know why. A yo-yo that you should look at when trying to find looping yo-yos is the Duncan Pro Yo. And really just any Duncans. They have really good looping yo-yos. They have really good all-around yo-yos. Not quite sure if it's that they don't make them or they're just not popular. One yo-yo that I haven't seen from Duncan too much is non-responsive yo-yos. I feel like they stick to responsive yo-yos for some reason. Because I looked for Duncan yo-yos when I got my non-responsive, but I didn't see any. Not quite sure why. So, alright, I'll talk to you guys later. Alright, till then, have fun.